Well, hello, Dixie Alley fans. I am back. And guess what? I'm having the little hashtag spicy challenge. Some Louisiana hot sauce combined with some potato chips. Lays by chance. So, shall we burn my soul to a fine crisp? Okay, let's do this. No milk, no water, just pure fine. If it gets bad, I'll get some water. But let's dip this thing real good. It's probably gonna be a kind of mistake because it's already kind of burning my hand, but whatever. Let's just do this. Giggity. Maybe I should have written the skull units. Okay. Really cleans out the navel cavities. It's also why I wanted to do this challenge. Whew! It's starting to get tears. Let's do it right now. I guess let's do it together. This might end my. So, if I die, this is enough. If I die quickly, die for a second, you'll see it. Here we go. Bon appetit. Okay, that second hit, that's not fine. On the tongue, it's starting to make it a little numb, so... Oh, that stuff, that's fucking coated. That's fucking coated in there. Do this. What's it? Hit the back of my throat. I was about to say, really spicy? Not that spicy, but it is spicy. Yeah. It's just the grease that takes it away. It's like right here is where the spice is mainly. It's right here in this area of my mouth. Whew, that's hot. Well, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time. Pray say my mouth makes a full recovery from this. Alright. Later, guys. Bye-bye.